Have you ever sat down for some time and just given this matter a thought of what 30-second rule is actually doing to your life? Not only it has shortened our concentration span or our patience level, which many people talk about, because if we keep constantly scrolling, the impact it has on our mind is that everything becomes, if we want everything to become concise and we are not able to process lengthy things or lengthy topics. What happens is, if you scroll for too long and you are a student, you will have your difficulties, you will face difficulties in watching lectures longer than 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and like lectures that are so long that takes hours to complete. You will not be able to do them with focus, because social media and reels have actually made you believe that life can change in 30 seconds. Because in those 30 seconds you see somebody's success story, like they started from zero, and then there's background music, and then there's 2 3 clips of them walking, and the fourth clip is them becoming successful. And we our dopamine strike to the highest peak, and we feel that this is how things work. Well, wait and pipe it all in. If you have to watch something which is 2 hours long and is not any entertainment video, and you need to do it for self improvement, I can bet you cannot watch it without getting distracted. You cannot watch it without wanting to leave it for some time and just go and come back and watch it again. What happens is we are more habited to those stories. I will also tell you that social media has actually also impacted us. It's not like it spared me. I am also a victim to that, and we all are in one way or another. When I went to give my competitive exam, the silence behind everything, because it was just another normal day. One day I was preparing for it, and the next day I went and I did wrote the exam. And in my mind I was thinking, does the exam for which people prepare for years, or 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, happens on one random day and decides how your life is gonna look tomorrow? There was no background music. I was waiting for some background music like they do in reels. So you realize that social media has actually made us romanticize and fantasize everything, which does not happen, because this is real life. Here you don't have any background music, you don't have any editing, it is just everything's raw, real. Sweats are real, the pimples are real, you cannot edit them, you cannot cut them, it's just everything is goddamn real, and you need to face it. Social media has made us believe some people walking with a coffee in their hand and optimistic mindset as ever, and you believe yes, life is so beautiful, and the next moment somebody like, I'm just tired of this life, I want to get rid of it, and you believe that too. What happens is there's this sudden cycle of emotions which happens. Sometimes the dopamine strikes to its highest peak, and sometimes we're unmotivated as hell. We don't know what the next reel is gonna come, and we are basically letting us drive. If suppose you are going somewhere and you booked a cab and you don't know who is driving, and you don't and constantly the drivers are changing, and you don't know the next person, who is the next person who's coming, will you let them drive your car? You won't. This is exactly what is happening with the reels. Every next reel is driving us to different direction. We don't know we are going, and some things are made for us, some things are not. And those things are basically becoming slowly a part of our personality, which we never wanted to, and which doesn't fit us or suit us. We see people romanticizing people who talk too much, romanticizing people who are clumsy, romanticizing people who sleep a lot, and we feel that everything is just a topic of reel. Everything can be concise in 3 lines. We can make a reel out of it, post it on social media, and just get through it. But do you know that if tomorrow somebody takes a dopamine break, they're not gonna watch it, and that content is not going anywhere. It does not have any need. Nobody needs them. What happens is those content creators they have cracked this code, what people watch, and they know that you are wasting their time. You wasting your time is certainly helping them making money. They are making more money, they are romanticizing their videos, they are becoming more and more happier day by day by you investing in their videos, your time, and wasting your life and not even realizing it. So I just want you today to sit down with this thought. Don't go in guilt. It's completely fine. It's not only you, it's multiple people. Multiple people does not make it any less wrong or painful. But I just want you to sit down with this thought, understand what exactly is happening, understand how your brain is working in this entire situation, how are you getting trapped in this problem, and how do you see yourself getting out of it. And I trust myself that I did got out of this. I used to think that if I started scrolling, I won't be able to come back from it. But once I decided, no, I'm not gonna watch it and I didn't went for today or tomorrow. I thought from the next minute, I'm not gonna watch any reel for some 7 days. And so for 7 days, I was on a dopamine detox, and I literally didn't watch anything that was entertainment or anything. And that made me realize that I genuinely had this power, and whatever I think I can do. So I also want you to sit with this thought and work on yourself and realize what exactly these 30 seconds rule, these entertainment videos are actually doing to you, doing to us, doing to our community, doing to your future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.